In this problem, we are having a cylinder. Its height is given 80 mm, but its diameter is not given. Now, it is again resting on its base on HP, and we have to section it in some manner. We should get an ellipse as true shape. Now, the dimensions of the major axis and minor axis is given the question. Major axis should be 80 mm and minor axis should be 60 mm. Now, thing is, if you want to get the minor axis of an ellipse as 60 mm, the diameter of the cylinder also should be 60 mm. Here the diameter of the cylinder is not given. So as usual, we will be starting with the top view of the cylinder. Since the minor axis, the length of the minor axis is 60 mm, you start with the top view of circle 60 mm, and you can identify all the points at top view. We will be getting A1, B2, C3, D4. You have to draw all the generators. Project all these points towards front view, and we will be getting the front view also. Height is given, it is 80 mm. Now, we are to section this cylinder in some manner. We have to get a ellipse as true shape with the major axis as 80 mm. Now, in order to satisfy that, first find the midpoint of the cylinder in front view, and with this point as center, that is the midpoint of the front view in cylinder as center, and 40 mm as radius, you cut one arc on the generator A-1' and another arc on generator E-5'. So you will be getting an arc here, you will be getting an arc here. Okay, so we will be placing this point as center using our compass, and 40 mm as radius. You will cut one point arc here, you cut another arc here. Now, so total automatically this total length will be 80 mm. Now, you can draw the section plane. Just join these 2 points. We will be getting our section plane. And you have to find the section points in top view. The section points in top view will be A1, B2, C3, D4 itself. So all the generators in top view itself will be our section points in top view. So you can darken the portion that is getting retained. In front view, this much portion is getting removed, so the remaining portion can be made dark, and the top view will be fully dark. As usual, we have to find the true shape. For drawing the true shape, again we will be drawing new ground line x1, y1 parallel to our section plane. It should be outside the solid, and you have to we are getting the section points. You can see that the section plane is passing through all the generators. It is passing through A-1', B-2', and H-8', 3', and G-7' through this point, D-4' and F-6' through this point, and last E-5' through this point. Okay, so as usual, you have to project all these section points perpendicular to our section plane for getting the true shape. So we will be getting the projector lines like this, and as usual, you have to find the true shape. The distance from xy till the top view points should be marked from x1, y1, and when you are marking that, you will be getting a perfect ellipse as true shape. Now, since we have taken the diameter of the cylinder as 60 mm, automatically this length also will be 60 mm, which is the minor axis of the ellipse. And since we have taken this length as 80 mm, since you have taken this length as 80 mm, automatically the length of the major axis also will be 80 mm. Okay, so by drawing it in this manner, we will be getting an ellipse as true shape with the major axis as 80 mm and minor axis as 60 mm. And as usual, you can draw the section lines in both the true shape and in top view. We will be getting the figure like this.